Welcome to FX Limit, your go-to channel for everything Forex trading. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for all you beginners out there. The top 5 currency pairs you should be focusing on as you start your trading journey. Whether you're just getting your feet wet or looking to refine your strategy, choosing the right currency pairs can make a world of difference in your trading success. So let's get into it. First up, we have the EUR-USD. This pair is by far the most popular among traders, and for good reason. The EUR-USD, which stands for the euro against the US dollar, is known for its high liquidity and relatively stable price movements. For beginners, this means more predictable trends and fewer sudden surprises. Plus, because it's so widely traded, there is a wealth of information and analysis available, which can be incredibly helpful as you learn the ropes. Our Apex Trend Indicator can be particularly useful here, providing clear signals on when to buy or sell, ensuring you make informed decisions. Next, let's talk about the GBP-USD, also known as the cable. This pair is the British pound against the US dollar. While it's slightly more volatile than the EUR-USD, it's still a favorite among beginners due to its liquidity and the number of trading opportunities it presents. The GBP-USD tends to react strongly to economic news from both the UK and the US, so keeping an eye on the economic calendar can give you a significant edge. With the Apex Trend Indicator, you can set alerts to notify you of significant trend changes, making it easier to stay on top of market movements. Moving on to the USD-JPY. This pair, the US dollar against the Japanese yen, is known for its stability and lower volatility compared to other pairs. It's an excellent choice for beginners who are looking to avoid the more unpredictable markets. The USD-JPY is heavily influenced by interest rate differentials between the US and Japan, so understanding the basics of interest rates can help you predict price movements. The Apex Trend Indicator's high accuracy in detecting trends can be particularly beneficial here, providing you with reliable buy and sell signals. Now let's discuss the AUD-USD, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. This pair is a great option for those who want to explore beyond the major currency pairs. The AUD-USD is influenced by commodity prices, particularly gold and iron ore, as Australia is a major exporter of these resources. Understanding how commodity prices impact the AUD can give you an added advantage. The Apex Trend Indicator supports multi-pair analysis, allowing you to monitor the AUD-USD alongside other pairs, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity. Finally, we have the USD-CAD, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. This pair is often referred to as the loonie. It's heavily influenced by the price of oil, as Canada is one of the world's largest oil producers. For beginners, trading the USD-CAD can be a great way to start understanding the relationship between commodities and currencies. The Apex Trend Indicator's multi-time frame support allows you to analyze the USD-CAD across different time frames, helping you identify the best entry and exit points. So there you have it, the top 5 currency pairs for beginner traders. Each of these pairs offers unique opportunities and challenges, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate them with confidence. The Apex Trend Indicator from FX Limit can be a game changer, providing you with accurate signals and alerts to make your trading journey smoother and more profitable. Remember, the key to successful trading is continuous learning and adapting to market changes. Keep an eye on economic news, use reliable indicators like the Apex Trend Indicator, and always stay informed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and strategies. Until next time, happy trading with FX Limit.